Alright, good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you some other ways to actually do a settings in order for your Bittoken ads to play on your phone. Alright, it could be you've tried one or two ways but still didn't work. Let's keep on trying and let's also try this and see if it will work. You click on your phone settings, all right, and then it will take you to your phone settings, and then you will come to the app management. Okay, this is the app management, so you click on the app management and then you click on app list. All right, that is the first option, app list. Then you click on the app list and then you find your Bittoken global. Okay, so you click on Bittoken global and then you come to battery. All right, so you click on battery. When you click on this battery, check if yours is on optimize, put it on unrestricted. Okay, if yours is on restricted, put it on unrestricted. All right, once you are done with that on the Bittoken global, just come to storage, clear your cache and then your storage as well. Okay, and then you are done with the Bittoken. Now when you are done, search for Google Play service. Okay, Google Play service is an inbuilt app on your phone that allows you to access the Play Store. Without the Google Play service, you cannot access Google Play Store. So actually it's inbuilt, so it normally comes with the phone, but it needs an update. So let's see, I'll just click on my Google Play service, first one over here, and then I'll go to app details. Okay, so I'll just click on here and then it will take me to Play Store. You see, it's telling me to update. Okay, so I have to go ahead and then update it. All right, when you see that yours is updated, just click back. Okay, and then come and do these settings. Now when yours is updated, come and click on all services. All right, all services at the top here. So when you click on all services, you scroll through and then you find ads. Okay, I've even passed. You find ads safety. Okay, you find this ads over here, so you just click on it and then when it opens you click here. All right, manage the info used to show and measure ad performance. All right, so you click on it and then it will take you to this place, ads. All right, now when it takes you to this place, what you have to do is you click on reset advertising ID. All right, some advertising ID on the phone, all right, doesn't correspond with the ads that is coming on your phone. Okay, so some phones need to reset their advertising ID in order to meet the Bittoken ads which are not playing. So you just click on it. Now read the instructions here. It says this replace the device advertising ID with a new random number. Apps can still show you ads, all right, but for a while they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. So you are resetting it so that you can go back and check if your ads will play. So you just click on confirm, okay, and then you reset your advertising ID. All right, so after that, what you have to do is you come to add privacy over here. When you come to add privacy over here, make sure that this settings is on and add topic is on off. All right, if the add measurement is off, you kindly what put it on. Okay, you see the allow over here, allow add measurement. So if yours is off, you make sure you allow it. Okay, and then you are also done with the Google Play Service ads advertising ID. Okay, when you are done, you have to update your Play Service if it's not updated by coming to the app details, click on it, take you to Play Store to go and check if needs an update. When you are done, come to all service, all right, and follow the video. And then also on the Bittoken, what we did over there is the battery optimization, the restricted and the unrestricted. You follow that one too, and after that, doing all this, come back to your Bittoken app and then log in with your account details again and start playing your ads and see whether it will play or not. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll bring another update or another form if your ads are not playing. Thank you very much.